In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a donation form to your Squarespace website, Donorbox tutorial. We'll start inside your Squarespace dashboard. Open your site, then head to the donations area. From there, add a giving page. This creates the dedicated page where supporters can contribute. Open the page in the editor so we can configure it. First, turn on the option that says Support us by covering the fees we have to pay. This lets donors optionally absorb processing fees, so more of each gift goes to your cause. Next, select one of the preset amounts, like the 10 option shown on screen. You can edit these amounts and your currency to match your audience, but for now, we'll use what's provided. Check the main call to action button. By default, it reads, Make a donation. Keep that wording or adjust it to match your brand voice. As you move through the editor, click the highlighted fields to customize headings, descriptions, and any helper text that appears on the form. Now, open the Funds section. Funds let donors direct their gift to a specific program or campaign. After reviewing it, go back and update the fund drop-down label so it's clear and friendly, like Choose a Fund. Save any changes in the highlighted areas. Switch over to Design to refine the look and layout, then return to Content to continue configuration. Open Funds again and click Add to create your first fund. Use the highlighted inputs to name it and add a short description so donors know what it supports. Next, click Add Amount to include additional presets, giving people quick choices. Also enable the option that allows donors to enter any donation amount, so they aren't limited to presets. Turn on the setting that offers donors the ability to add an extra amount if they'd like to further offset costs. Go to Recurring Donations and, using the highlighted toggles, enable the schedules you want to offer, such as monthly or yearly, and set your defaults. Review any remaining highlighted options to confirm descriptions, labels, and visibility settings. When you're done, exit the editor. Return to your website overview, navigate to your home area to preview the updated navigation and page, and make sure everything looks consistent. Finally, publish your site so the new giving page goes live and is ready to accept donations. If you need to refine anything later, just hop back into donations to update amounts, funds, or wording, then publish again and your changes will go live.